This is my garage doorbell, so I'm going to be replacing this one with a better one. That's in the next project. Installing the new Arlo camera, which is replacing the Ring video camera. This is the old Ring camera removed from the outside because the battery on this one doesn't last long. So hopefully the Arlo camera battery should last longer than this one. This is the new Arlo camera that's going to replace the Ring camera. That's the Ring there, and that's the new Arlo. And in my own opinion, I think the Arlo looks much better than the Ring. Anyway, and it's supposed to perform better anyway, so we'll see. Also, I forgot to mention that this camera, this Arlo one, has a floodlight built in. I don't know if you can see the floodlight, of course, so that which is good at night, you know. So, and it should be able to display images in color at night, unlike the Ring camera, which is just black and white at night. But this one should display full image in color at night. Installation is now complete. The camera is now online and it's now working, and the images, in my opinion, they're very good, better than the Ring one.